Well folks, not too far away from our campground is also Linville Gorge. So we're at the Linville Falls area. There is also a lot of other places to go hiking around here. This is the first place we're checking out today. And we'll show you all these different little viewpoints. It is a cool, brisk morning and a little misty from some fog rolling through, but it is a beautiful day. All Trail says this is about 300 feet of elevation gain, somewhere around there. Maybe it's 400 feet, I can't remember. And about 2 miles total. We'll see how much it actually ends up being. Luna's coming along, enjoying the hike. Most of the hikes around this area are dog friendly. One of the reasons we chose this area over the Smoky Mountains, just because there's a lot more places we could take Luna through. We're here in the falls. Must be getting closer. So we're gonna swing by the Upper Falls overlook at first. Next, I think we're going to be going that way. So we do seem to be climbing back up a little bit between these viewpoints. They do seem to have benches along the way, in case you need a little breather. Irwin View and Chimney View. Probably do Chimney View first. Over that way. Looks like we get Chimney View all to ourselves. A bit of a pond up here in the viewpoint. Look at those waterfalls. Even got some water seeping through the side of the rock over there too. Pretty epic views around here. Now off to the Irwin View area. I believe we're almost here. First check out this lookout point, then check out the falls from this area. This girl does not have a fear of heights. And this is just the very beginning of this whole area, Linville Falls. The road goes back much further, I believe, that way, with a whole bunch more hiking trails and places to see along this gorge. We love it. Didn't really know what to expect besides a few Instagram photos we saw, but it is definitely worth it. So now we're over here at the Linville Visitor Center off the Blue Ridge Parkway. We probably should have came here first, but we didn't realize the roads didn't connect between the previous parking lot we're at and this one, so lesson learned. If you come to this area, I recommend coming to the visitor center because you can just hike from here to where we just were. So we are at this visitor center. Don't come here in October if you need to use the restroom. At least late October. And we're going down to this plunge basin area. I think there's a viewpoint down there. Yeah, so this is a red trail, and we might actually go back to this Duggars Creek Loop trail after we do the plunge basin overlook. Sounds like we gotta go take a plunge. Couldn't read that warning sign, so hopefully nothing important. For a trail called Plunge Basin, we seem to be going up quite a ways. Got ourselves a rhododendron tunnel through here. Getting closer to the falls. And we made it. Luna wants to see the waterfalls too. And just up there is where we were a little bit earlier today. Did I mention today was Halloween? I don't think I did. Happy belated Halloween. Hey Luna, where we going? Oh, that way? Good girl. Duggars Creek Loop Trail. 20-minute walk. So minus one of the views at the plunge basin, the upper view. We pretty much showed you every single view here at the Linville Falls area, but we did not hike the trail connecting between the visitor center and that whole hiking area back there. Should have one quick little view to show you back here. I'm guessing a much smaller waterfall. It must be back here. It's back here. Hey, we actually even have a little bridge over here. That's kind of cool. Hopefully it's sturdy. Guessing that's the waterfall. Maybe. I did. Looks like it goes up a bit more. Want to go up a bit more? Maybe that takes you to the top of it. Never mind, that was the waterfall. Looks like we're just hiking back around Los Loop now. Just had to throw a little elevation gain in there. The wilderness holds answers to more questions than we yet know how to ask. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this little hike around the Linville Falls area. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. You can also check us out at
dnsadventures.com.
And as always,
adventure on.